Hello, welcome to my Sunday Frump. Today I have another haul and I want to get these packages open because I'm excited. I bought something that I'm so excited. I want to see it. I want to show you. So let's start with the little packages. And I'll just tear here. I'm trying to be very careful. See what's inside. That's it. So here's my adapter. I got my adapter for the mic. I should review that, huh? Maybe I'll review that. We'll do a mic review soon. Hopefully the adapter works, because I think I've been buying the wrong USB-C, because there's two kinds of USB-Cs, and I think I've been buying the wrong one, because there's one for actual devices and there's one for mobile phones. So I'm not sure, but I think that's what the problem is. So here I have medicine. This is Picot. This is citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. This is like antacid, but this one's like different because it's like very basic. So I figure this is less chemical. It's better for me. I think this is like Alka-Seltzer, I guess. And but it has only, I think Alka-Seltzer usually has calcium carbonate, right? So this one's different. I thought I'd try this one because like the other one kind of didn't sit well, the calcium carbonate. So I'm just going basic this time. And here's another one. Ooh, this is so pretty. This I got for my mom. So this is very cute, but it was very affordable. I got it for like under $4. It was $3 something. So I was happy I could like afford it, because I thought it was really cute. Let's see it. Ooh. So here it is. It comes with a little polishing thing. It comes with like a little gift card. Oh, that's so cute. It has like a little card. It says, "May the joy and happiness be around you, not only today, but all the year through." And then they have their little card. A swish, wishes come true. We sit in the window in the morning where the world, like a passerby, stops for a moment, nods to me and goes. That's cute. So it has two tags. I guess you pick whichever one that you want, and then like you hang it. So I'm not sure if it comes with two or if it's a double. A double, you know how Mr. T has his like chain? I think it does come in two. So then you see that? This is so cute. It's like a solitaire diamond, and the color is 24 karat. This is plated, and this, I love these necklaces. They're so cute and dainty. These little chain necklaces, so pretty. So these cards are to prevent them from tangling, so that's why I think they put them on here. So you just stick them on like that. And then what you do is in the back, I guess in the back, you just stick this on here. If you have tape, it'd be easier. You just tape this to the back of the card. But I mean, you could just let it dangle if you want. So you just do that. Like this. And then you stick it back in. See how it's pretty? Just like that. So you do the same with this one. Kind of pull it to however length you want. Then gather it in the bag. Just scoop it up and just press the bag to close it. Like so. And again, you just stick it on there. And you can put that on the top. And close it. And then it's ready. So we'll open the little boxes. Oh yeah, and the price on these 3 things were really good because like I got this for 3 something. This was like 2 something. And this was like 3 something, I think. I think I got it on sale, so I might have got a deal. It might have been less than 3. And of course I got a spray. It's apple and cinnamon. Ooh, that smells so good. So this is apple and cinnamon. It says odor fighting. So I buy these because it says lasting freshness. They really do last longer when they have this, the Glade scents. When they have this on the label, they last a long time. They really last a longer time. So if you're able to find this little logo, you should probably, unless you really like that scent, it's probably a better deal, you know, than spraying all day long and stuff. It just like you can spray like once a day and it kind of lingers. So I like that one. And then so like I have the fall scents, right? The fall scents in my home. And here I bought PJs. I'll show you my PJs. These are silk PJs in the color gray. Kind of look like a scrub, huh? Crop top. This is a size, let's see, what's the size? Medium. It has a little pocket. It's cute, huh? It's just plain in the back. And the pants have a drawstring. This is cute. It looks like handmade. And the PJs have a bottom like this. Elastic. They're really cute. They remind me of harem pants. Hey, it's cute. I'm gonna be like, I dream of Jeannie in my new PJs. Literally dreaming. So that is, those are too cute. Here I got another hot sauce. Same. There you go. And then anything else in there? So here's another medium-sized one. So since the weather's changing, I like to buy PJs with the pant bottoms. But like sometimes I get like, sometimes I like to switch it up, like, so since it's only fall, I thought crop top's fine, you know. Hygiene. Ew. Fancy food. I got this spaghetti. This spaghetti was like 50 cents. These cookies are less than $1.50. These are my oatmeal cookies. And I got this lipstick. It's a frosted lipstick. 90s. If you know, you know. You gonna see it? That's it right here. What do you guys think? Cute? I think the PJs are $7 for that whole set. And my pace, like I said, you know, it kind of remains the same. It's always under $2.50. So these were like under $6, so I went ahead and snatched them up. It's ramen noodle. 24 pack creamy chicken. So I thought it was a good deal because they were 5 something, and you know what I mean. I love noodles right now in the fall. And then here we go. So then I have a can of chili with beans. This is like $2 chili. And then my splash. Of course, these have electrolytes. It's just lemon flavored. Basically lemon flavored electrolytes. 0 cal. These are like maybe $2.50, right? And then I have this that I was so excited to get, and it was the last one. Totally worth it. Totally worth it because it's a little statue. This says unpainted resin. And look at what it is. If you know what St. Mark's lion is? Do I have it correct? So this is a gargoyle. It's a lion with wings. You see that his spine? It's all muscle. He has his ears and everything. Super cute. And but I thought this was super cute. This is our soccer mascot, I believe. So I was excited to get this one. And I'm going to put this on my desk and kind of enjoy it with my sports theme. My sports theme studio. Nice addition to my sports theme studio. Finally, I got something soccer, right? Soccer was a big part of my childhood, and I think my kids like soccer too. So we're big sports fans. So my family likes sports, like all of them. Like we'll go to any game, just about. But this is a nice, cute little thing that I was really excited to get today to open. And thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again on the next video. My son de Framp. Bye-bye.